Hey, so if you create the same types of meetings or events over and over again, event templates in Google Calendar can save a ton of time. Yeah, instead of rewriting details every single time, you can reuse a setup in seconds. In this guide, I'll show you how to create event templates in Google Calendar step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in to your account. Now click the Create button and start building the event you want to reuse later. Enter the title, meeting link, description, guests, reminders, and any recurring settings you normally use. Click Save so the event appears in your calendar. When you need the same setup again, open the event and choose the duplicate option. Now simply change the date and time while keeping all the original details. For regular meetings, you can also create recurring events instead of duplicating manually. Try creating separate template events for team meetings, client calls, or project check-ins. Use color coding and detailed notes so your templates stay organized and easy to reuse. And yeah, that's it. Once you start using reusable event setups, managing meetings in Google Calendar becomes much faster and easier.